Yeah, when we started Waste Summit, it was just a small idea in our office. And we had some budget left at the end of the year, and we discussed in the team what is a topic that is really relevant and people care about. And then everyone in our office thought it's waste. It's the number one topic in Cambodia. It's what we all have to deal with, and that's how it started. And then over the years, it got bigger and bigger and bigger, and last year we had 500 participants. It was always the idea to have a platform for exhibitors, but also for development partners to speak there. But at the beginning, it was rather small, and now it is getting bigger and bigger, and it really became a platform where people, organizations join in different capacities. And it shows that you don't need a big plan at the beginning. Sometimes it is trial and error. You try something, it works, you continue. You correct the mistakes, and then you continue. Nowadays it feels like the pandemic never happened when we are sitting here freely and we are all back to in-person events. But yes, the pandemic was a hard hit and we had to adapt. So we tried to go digital, to have smaller meetings, smaller online meetings, focus a little bit also on field trips so that we have smaller groups to avoid the infection risk. But to be very, very honest, we are very happy that the big crowd is back, that we are all together and that we can spend the day together. We have seen that the waste collection in Phnom Penh is not a monopoly anymore. I think Waste Summit also played a role in that to raise public awareness on the problem. In Phnom Penh, we start to separate waste now between wet waste and dry waste, but it's a first step. And I think we already achieved something, but there is still way more to do. You know, the problem with the platform is people meet and you cannot really measure the outcome, what happens afterwards. Sometimes you get a glimpse, you see cooperation, you see people working together. But I want to see more impact. I want to see that the whole ecosystem in Cambodia is improving, circular economy, the waste separation. There is a lot to do in Cambodia, and I really want to see the progress here. I hope that we do not have a Waste Summit anymore in 5 years. That the problem is solved, that nobody talks about waste anymore because it's not a problem anymore. That's what I would like to see.